Upgrading your home with new windows is one of the best ways to enhance energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall comfort. If you're considering professional window installation in West Valley City, knowing what to expect can help you prepare for the process and ensure a smooth, hassle-free experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to what happens during a window replacement project in your home. Initial consultation and window selection. Before installation begins, you'll meet with a window installation specialist to discuss your needs and preferences. This step involves assessing your current windows to determine whether a full replacement or retrofit installation is needed. Selecting the right window type, including double-hung, casement, sliding, or bay windows, based on functionality and style. Choosing energy-efficient features, such as low-E glass, argon gas fills, or double-pane glass, to improve insulation. Picking a frame material, whether vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, or wood, depending on durability and aesthetics. Receiving a detailed quote, including installation costs, timeframes, and warranty options. Once your selections are finalized, the installation team will order your custom windows and schedule the installation date. Preparing your home for installation. On the day of installation, preparing your home can make the process quicker and easier for the crew. Steps you can take include removing window treatments, such as blinds, curtains, or shades. Clearing furniture and decorations from around windows. Providing easy access to work areas both inside and outside your home. Securing pets and small children in a separate area to avoid disruptions. By prepping in advance, you help create a safe and efficient workspace for the installation team. The window installation process. Once the installers arrive, they will follow a structured process to ensure your new windows are installed properly for maximum efficiency and performance. Step 1. Removing old windows. The crew will carefully remove the existing windows without damaging the surrounding wall structure. Inspect the window frame and opening for any structural issues. Dispose of old windows and debris in an eco-friendly manner. Step 2. Preparing the window opening. Before installing the new window, the team will clean and inspect the opening to ensure it is level and properly sealed. Repair any damage, such as rotting wood or deteriorated seals. Add insulation around the frame for better energy efficiency. Step 3. Installing the new windows. Your new windows will then be carefully positioned and secured. The installer will place the new window into the opening and ensure a perfect fit. Windows are fastened securely to prevent movement or air leaks. Sealing and weatherproofing materials are applied around the edges to block drafts and moisture. Step 4. Finishing touches. Once the windows are securely in place, the team will apply trim and caulking to give the windows a polished, seamless look. Clean the glass and surrounding area, ensuring a spotless finish. Perform a final inspection to check that all components function correctly. Post-installation inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, the team will walk you through the finished work. This step includes Testing the window operation, ensuring they open, close, and lock properly. Checking for air leaks and confirming proper insulation. Reviewing warranty details and providing maintenance tips. Cleaning up the work area, removing all debris and materials. Professional installers take pride in leaving your home as clean as they found it, ensuring you can enjoy your new windows right away. Understanding your warranty and maintenance plan. Most reputable window companies offer warranties on both materials and labor. After installation, be sure to review your warranty documents to understand coverage. Keep your installation receipt and paperwork for future reference. Schedule any necessary follow-ups if adjustments or repairs are needed. A good installation company will be available to assist with any post-installation questions or concerns. Enjoying the benefits of new windows. With your new professionally installed windows, you'll enjoy a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency, leading to lower heating and cooling bills. Enhanced curb appeal, making your home look fresh and modern. Increased home value, a great investment if you plan to sell. Better noise reduction, keeping outside sounds at bay. Stronger security features, improving the safety of your home. Final thoughts. A smart investment for West Valley City homeowners. Investing in professional window installation ensures that your home is more energy efficient, secure, and visually appealing. By understanding what to expect, you can prepare for a smooth installation process and enjoy the long-term benefits of high-quality windows. If you're ready to upgrade your home's windows, work with a trusted window installation company in West Valley City to get the best results. With expert craftsmanship and premium materials, you'll enjoy durability, efficiency, and comfort for years to come.